Hi guys, and welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng quick and easy sizzling chicken sisig. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, pagsamahin lang natin itong 2 tablespoon ng mayonnaise at 1 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Kung gagamit kayo ng chicken liver, i-boil nyo ito at i-grill and then i-chop nyo ng maliliit. Wala lang ako mabili kaninang chicken liver. So, after natin mahalo ito, we will set this aside. Ito naman yung na-shred ko ng roasted chicken or lechong manok. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng pan at i-melt natin itong 2 tablespoon ng butter. I-add na natin yung 1 piece ng large onion, chop. Continue lang natin to at i-half cook lang natin yung onion. I-add ko na rin itong 1 tablespoon ng grated ginger at itong 4 to 5 cloves ng minced garlic. Continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma ng ating garlic. Ayan, half cook na yung ating onion. Pwede na natin ilagay itong shredded roasted chicken. At kung meron kayo ng chicken liver, i-add nyo na rin yung roasted and chopped chicken liver. So, mix it well at isusutay lang natin to for about 5 minutes. Then, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung 1 to 2 pieces ng siling labuyo. Ang gagamitin ko ay chili flakes kasi ayoko nung siling labuyo. And add na natin yung pepper to taste. And salt to taste. Alalay lang kasi meron na tayong soy sauce. Sama na natin yung ating mayonnaise and soy sauce mixture. Then, i-add ko na rin itong 1 piece ng lemon or 5 to 6 pieces ng calamansi. Haluin lang natin itong maigi. At this point, mag-preheat na kayo ng inyong sizzling plate. Ayan, in less than 10 minutes, luto na yung ating chicken sisig. Transfer muna natin to sa isang plate. And then, transfer na natin dito sa ating preheated sizzling plate. Lastly, ilalagay na natin itong optional ingredients na 1 piece ng egg on top. And i-garnish natin to ng chopped spring onions before serving. And there you have it, our quick and easy sizzling chicken sisig, best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayo updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.